When you open the Play Store, most of the top apps you see are foreign. But did you know there are world class apps built right here in India, owned by Indians and loved by millions worldwide? Today, let's explore some of the most popular made in India Android apps, the pride of our digital Bharat. First up, Ludo King, a simple board game that every Indian family has played, taken global by an Indian company. With over 1 billion downloads, it kept friends and families connected during the pandemic. Proof that even our childhood games, when digitized, can conquer the world. Fitness apps are everywhere, but Healthify Me stands apart. Why? Because it understands Indian lifestyles, our diets, our food habits, our fitness goals. Built in Bengaluru, this app blends AI with Indian tradition to keep us healthy and has been recognized globally as one of the best. Zomato began as a simple restaurant discovery platform. Today, it's a food tech leader in 25 plus countries. But here's the best part, it is still Indian owned, Indian listed, and driven by Indian entrepreneurs. Every time you order on Zomato, you're supporting a Desi success story. Cred made finance cool. Paying credit card bills used to be boring. Now it's rewarding, sleek, and even fun. This Bengaluru startup shows that Indian fintech can be stylish and globally competitive. Storytelling is in our DNA. Pocket FM brings back the joy of radio in a modern way, from regional tales to global thrillers. It has millions hooked, not just in India but also overseas. Truly a Desi app with a global heartbeat. And finally, Rail One, built by Indian Railways. This app is a complete travel companion. Book tickets, track trains, order food, get refunds, all in one place. It proves that even government apps in India can be smart, modern, and user friendly. These apps are more than just software. They are stories of Indian talent, Indian culture, and Indian innovation. From games to fintech, from fitness to social media, India is not just consuming technology, we are creating it. So the next time you download an app, check if it's made in India and support our own. That's what being a Pakka Patriot is all about. Which made in India app do you use the most? Tell us in the comments